Hey everybody, welcome back to the jewelry spot. It is time for the jewelry making fun collab, and so I'm gonna show you what I've got this month, make a few announcements about the channel, just trying to get back into the swing of things with everyone. So every month and the 18th of the month, myself and other wonderful jewelry creators, we participate in a jewelry making fun collab, and this is sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs. And so I encourage you to look at when you're done with my video, please watch all the other wonderful creators videos, and I'm gonna get started. So this month we are concentrating on the colors of the fall colors, like brown, yellow, orange, green. I think those were the ones that are in our challenge this time. And we've got another part of the challenge was to use agate beads, and then the final part of the challenge was to somehow incorporate leaves. And so I think even resin leaves were a part of the challenge. So I'm gonna meet all of the requirements. I do have leaves, but they're not resin leaves. So I'm gonna put everything out for you, and then I'll explain what I did, how I made everything. Got a few different things today. I even have a necklace today. And now I always have my hoops, so there's just one pair of hoops today. Let's see, what have I got here? Okay. Yeah, a couple of little necklaces I think I'll show. Maybe I'll start with that set. My necklace and earring set that I've got. Okay, so my first earring set has copper at the bottom, and to me that reminds me of fall, sort of like the brownish or copper colors. So I've got, these have flowers. They're flowers on the copper beads, and then I've got, I think these are Jasper beads. I do have an agate bead here, but I believe these are Jasper. It's like dark red, kind of a brick red, yellowish tone there, and another red on top. Hope you can see that pretty well. So that's a pair of earrings that I've got, and I kept with my copper for the necklace. I've got this strand of like copper chain, and then I've got a lot of Jasper beads to create a bar necklace. And so this is probably about 16 inches, I guess. So that's my first item, that little necklace set. This next item has got my leaves. So I made these a little while ago. I think I even might have had a video on these, but the leaves are at the bottom. It looks like silver, not silver, bronze plated material, the little leaves there. And then I have some jump rings right here, a little silver bead, and then I've got 5 agate beads. They are in shades of like grays, yellows, creams. So these are kind of darker colors, I think. The gray anyhow, and that reminds me of fall leaves, or just like fall time. Then I put some ear wires on top. Those are kind of longer earrings. Of course, hoops. Can't do a video without hoops, but these are, I believe, 30mm hoops, which is, I call this like a medium-sized hoop. They're not too big and not tiny, but they've got their little brown seed beads there, kind of small seed beads, very dainty. Then I have some chip stones. Okay, I think this is called Unakite. That's not right. This is Unakite. It's kind of a greenish tones there. So there's my green for sure. Green and almost orangey. green and orange, like a darker orange or like a melon color. And so I put, let's see, these have 2 small silver beads at the top. They've got the my beads on a head pin, and then I put silver wires, you know, ear wires at the top. This is really easy to also excuse me, replicate as a necklace, because you can make a bar necklace there. And I did the same earrings, only I did them in gold tone. Okay, so there's my gold tone Unakite earrings. I keep saying the wrong stone. That's the Unakite. So there's my green, and I've got one more agate stone, and okay, so this is kind of burgundy. So this reminds me of fall. I love to wear the like burgundy colors, brown in the fall, brown, kind of burnt orange, maybe mustard yellow. I love wearing those colors in the fall, so I wanted to include this one. It's an agate bead. I really love that stone. What I did was wire wrapped copper wire around it, applied a couple of jump rings here, and I put this on a leather cord. That's dark brown leather, and there's I just made like a simple knot there. I didn't do any special thing to it. Of course, you could put your closings on there, closure pieces, but I just made a little knot there. And I like to wear that with my sweaters that might have the same color. So I think that's a pretty stone. And so that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed my different things. I think I wanted to do a couple different things this time. I had a couple of necklaces. I always have my hoops, but I included some necklaces this time. So as far as announcements, I'm just getting back to work. I'm a teacher, so I've got a ton of things to do, and they keep me pretty busy. So sometimes it's hard to manage my time with everything, you know, and all the responsibilities of life, etc. I'm sure everybody knows about that. I'm going to try to get my feet wet again, make a few more regular videos, but I definitely wanted to bring this one and show you what I've got for fall. And also, I just had a birthday on a couple of days ago, so I'm really thankful to be here another year. Praise God. You know, I'm still loving my September blue because that's my birthstone, but I had to get away from that blue this time and bring fall colors. So until hopefully maybe 3 days or so, maybe sooner, hopefully I'll be seeing you again extremely soon. And then I hope you have a great Saturday and happy crafting. Please watch all of the other wonderful creators' videos. All of their info will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for visiting the Jewelry Spot. Bye-bye.